frozen or fresh? Which one will be better? For first we need shrimp, flour, tempura. Next, we will fry it same temperature, same time, and we will see. Frozen, we need to fry more time. 170 temperature, same. And this one is frozen. We need maybe 2-3 minutes for fresh and 5 minutes for frozen. We will check. Three minutes. Fresh one is ready. Okay, 3 minutes. Come. Different. That left one is not ready. Can you take this one? Fresh one, 3 minutes. Ready. Same temperature. Ready here, 4 minutes. Ready. Different color. First, we'll cut first black one. Shrimps frozen. Yeah, this is already. Fish will be ready 100%. Second one. Color is brown. It's ready, it's hot. Then this shrimp. This is like good. Already fresh, more juices. Fish. This is fresh one. This is frozen. This is soft. Like this. Some weights. Fresh one is soft. For good taste, only use fresh one. For color, for taste, for everything.